This is a short video of my 2006 Hummer H2. Currently has 141,000 miles. It has a Gobi rack. It has 4 overhead Hummer lights, and it has 2 in the front of it here as well. It also has a winch, ProWinch, that is 9,500 pounds. It has Firestone tires, destinations. The one at the top is brand new. Let's get inside. Here's the interior of the car. Seats are in good condition. All the upholstery. It has a carbon type of finish. Let me look around. Also has rear seat, and it has displays in the headrests. It's a Hummer. It also has the third row, the third seat in the back. It has headrest, armrest, and drinks. The liner is in perfect condition. Sunroof. It has reverse lights right over there, and also it has a switch inside the car where you can turn them if you're camping or going off-road. You can actually turn them on and they will stay on. About 3 years ago, I put an air pack, a brand new air pack. I ordered it from England, and so it's for the air system suspension. Also has a dual exhaust Magnaflow muffler. It has another spare in the back over here. This is the other side of the Hummer. Seats. And here's the driver's side. All the windows work. Let's see over here. The car has been maintained at Thompson Cadillac of Raleigh. There's a mechanic there that actually works on Hummers. And the odometer right there, 141,000 miles. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to climb at the top. Yes. Here's the tire. There's the rack. Oh, and I was going to show where the all the lights controls are from the back. Here they are. Turn them on, turn them off. This one controls the top, the back, and the front of the car. If you have any additional questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Here's the car. It's been a great car for me. It's time to sell it though.